Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is volume imbalance. It's a topic that I would say not everybody know about, but it's something that you can easily locate but doesn't appear every time on the chart. I was able to create a diagram, find a diagram like this. It's called volume imbalance. This is how a volume imbalance is. Normally, we know that an imbalance is from here. This candle, like a three candle like sequence, one, two, three, right? And we mark this from here, this point here. The candle has to connect, the wick has to connect here, and we have to mark this whole area as what? Fair value gap. Let me see, this pencil is going to work here. Now, what do we do in this scenario? You can look at these 2 wicks, right? They are not connected, right? These 2 wicks are not connected. Normally this third candle wick should have connected above this body here on top for us to categorize this up here as what? Our fair value gap. But you can realize that it wasn't connected. Instead, the wick touch each other. It wasn't connected. This is for a bullish scenario and this is for a bearish scenario. You can look here, the wicks here were not also connected to each other. This is signal to you that a volume imbalance has been created and market usually react there. Now, I had trouble finding a lot of diagrams how a volume imbalance look like, but I was able to find one here. This is where the wicks connected to each other here, but the body here has spoiled it already. But I'm trying to get you good examples of a volume imbalance. It involves two body wick candle, not a body but a wick. The wick connects to each other. Okay, I have one here. Now this is a volume imbalance here. I won't call that a volume imbalance. Hold on. But this is a volume imbalance. We connected to each other. Hold on. Let me get more examples for you. That's a volume imbalance. The wicks are connecting to each other. You can see markets came there and reacted there. But majority of the time, like the way the diagram showed it here, it's always the wick. Like the wicks are always connected to each other, not with the body. Let me keep on looking for example because it's always very difficult to find a volume imbalance because it rarely happens in the market. Okay, a volume imbalance took place here. You can see the wicks were connected to each other. I'm not really getting good examples to show you, but based on the diagram I was able to find, a diagram that looks like a volume imbalance because it's not usually shown very much in the market, and this is what we call gap in the market. Let me keep finding if I can find another example for you. This is also a gap. I'm trying to get a volume imbalance for you. Okay, I can take this as a volume imbalance too. Why? Because the wicks are connected to each other. Or is it showing the case connected with the body? Let's see. Okay, this is a good volume imbalance. The wicks are connected to each other and not with the body. And you can see what market did there. If I zoom it up here very, very well, did they connect with the body? Yes. What I'm looking for is a scenario whereby it's only the wicks that are connected to each other in the charts. Okay. I don't want to take so much of your time on this video, but what you're going to look for is 2 wicks being connected to each other, the body not touching each other, just the wicks connecting to each other, and you will know that a volume imbalance has been created. But it usually don't really happen a lot in the market, but it's just for our knowledge to know what it looks like and how it is being created. So take note of the diagram. It has to do with 2 wicks connecting to each other and not the body. That's what we call a volume imbalance. Thank you very much.